Have you ever wondered how creators churn out endless viral clips while keeping their own sanity intact? It seems like every time you open TikTok or Reels, you see those perfectly clipped, high-energy product reviews and POV videos. But here is the secret most people won't tell you. They aren't spending hours in Premiere Pro or juggling a dozen different editing tools. Today, I want to introduce you to Vizard, a game-changing tool that turns your long-form content into scroll-stopping micro moments without the headache. Whether you are a fashion creator, a tech reviewer, or just someone who talks to a camera, Vizard helps you scale your content production effortlessly. When you first open the dashboard, you will immediately notice how clean and organized everything feels compared to other clunky software. Instead of bouncing between 5 different apps to edit, caption, and schedule, Vizard keeps your entire workflow in one convenient location. The AI analyzes your raw footage, identifies the high-energy segments, and suggests clips optimized specifically for vertical platforms. Let us look at how it handles unboxing videos, where the goal is to capture those authentic reactions and close-up product shots. Vizard's smart snipper detects those gasps, laughs, and genuine moments, automatically turning them into engaging POV-style clips. These feel far more natural than polished studio ads because they mirror exactly how viewers are actually filming on their own phones. For those of you doing app demos or long walkthroughs, Vizard really shines by focusing on individual features. It identifies where you highlight a specific call to action or a key feature and frames it perfectly with automatic, eye-catching captions. You save hours of manual resizing and overlay editing, allowing you to just export and post directly to Reels or TikTok. Fashion creators can also transform long try-on hauls into multiple snappy, stylish lookbook shorts with just a few clicks. The AI scans for camera movements and outfit changes to create seamless, stylish transitions that keep your audience hooked. Once you upload your long-form file, Vizard presents you with dozens of clip suggestions within just a few short minutes. You have full control to tweak the in and out points, adjust the frames, or choose the perfect aspect ratio for each platform. There is even an auto-edit for virality option, which ranks your clips based on audio peaks, engagement cues, and viewer attention span. Scheduling is another huge relief because Vizard handles the timing across all your social accounts automatically. You can see everything in one place, drag and drop posts to reorder them, and even batch approve content for the entire week. Many other tools force you to export clips and then re-upload them to a different scheduler, which is just a massive waste of time. Vizard integrates these features into a single cohesive ecosystem that acts as a productivity multiplier for small teams. You can even train the AI on your personal style by feeding it your best-performing clips to match your unique voice and tone. Features like auto captions and bold opening hooks are included to ensure your thumbnails catch eyes and drive higher click-through rates. I recently tested this with a 12-minute product demo, and Vizard helped me extract 5 distinct high-performing clips in no time. I personally saw engagement spike on day 1 because those short, punchy formats resonate much faster than waiting for a full-length watch. But remember, do not just brute force content. Use Vizard to amplify your best, most valuable moments rather than just churning out low-effort spam. The AI does the heavy lifting with resizing and formatting, but your human touch, like writing the captions, is still the secret sauce. If you are working with a small team, this platform effectively eliminates the back and forth of file sharing and constant feedback loops. It is not a magic wand that creates content out of thin air, but it is definitely the fastest way to squeeze more life out of every recording. Check the link in the description to try it out, and I have even included my personal presets and caption templates there for you. Go give Vizard a spin and see how many evergreen clips are hiding inside your long videos. You might be genuinely surprised by the results.